Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in with your Philgeps account. Make sure your company profile and eligibility documents are current so search results match. Once logged in, go directly to the Bids and Awards Notices or the Search Notices page. Enter tender keywords, CPV codes, or the procurement reference number to narrow results. Use filters like posting date and eligibility. This reduces noise. If you need supplier-specific notices, switch to the supplier view. Make sure to save your search parameters for repeat use. You now refine results by combining filters. For example, set notice type to invitation to bid, adjust posting date range, and add a CPV code to focus on relevant opportunities. Once you see a promising notice, open it and download all attachments, terms of reference, bid forms, and any addenda, because those documents contain mandatory requirements and submission formats. While reviewing, extract deadlines, pre-bid schedules, and procuring entity contacts, jot these down. Doing this prevents last-minute surprises and ensures compliant bid preparation. You finish by assembling the bid package exactly as specified. Follow the document checklist, fill forms, sign where required, and include proof of eligibility and financials. Once done, choose the correct submission method, online upload or physical drop-off, and submit before the deadline. Keep screenshots or stamped receipts as proof. If you encounter errors or a missing addendum, contact the procuring entity immediately and confirm next steps. This quick action can save your bid from disqualification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.